Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Eye Comfort Shield mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. The fastest and the easiest way to do it is to simply swipe from the top again, and here we are looking for our Eye Comfort Shield. Here it is. So we can turn it on or off by simply tapping this shortcut right here. If you do not have this button at the top, then we need to go to Settings, then Display, and then we have here Eye Comfort Shield with the same switch. Of course, we can open the options here and the switches at the top as well. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.